Hey everyone, Serena B here, and welcome back to my 12 days of Christmas. Today's video is going to be super simple and easy to make. We're going to be making DIY gift bags and paper bags and stuff like that using wrapping paper and scrapbooking paper. It's fairly easy and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So these are the products I'll be working with. I'm going to go ahead and cut some of these because they are the long tubes. I'm going to cut this off camera and I'll be right back. I have a couple of different styles here. I have the paper. This is actually wrapping that I saved from a gift last year. So this is perfect. If you're one of those like me who save wrapping paper from gifts and stuff, you can totally use the ones that you save and that you like. So I'm going to try and use this one. Then I have this green one, a black one, and then again that pink one. So I'm going to go ahead and use a scrapbook paper for our first example, and then I'll show you how to do it with the wrapping paper. Just go ahead and figure out the size and measurement of your bag that you want. I think I'm just going to trim about 4 inches off of this pattern paper. And that way when you fold it, it'll give you a nice sized bag. You can either use a scoreboard for this, or you can just eyeball it like me. And I like the way this overlaps. Maybe I'll go this way. Yeah. So you want to make sure that the folds go over each other. See how it's already kind of creasing? Just with my bone folder, I'm going to go ahead and crease that. So you can customize the sizes to whatever you'd like just by folding it over. So now to do the little flap on the bottom, all you need to do is remove a little bit of the paper. So I will use my scoreboard for this part, just so that I can score about 3/4 of an inch. I'm just going to score it right here. This just makes it easier for us to visually see the parts of the paper that we need to remove. So basically you're going to have to remove this part here. This little rectangle bit and this rectangle bit here. You're going to have to remove all of that. And you're just going to cut a little angle here just to make it a little bit cleaner when you fold it. I'm going to actually bring in some detailed scissors just to kind of create a decorative edge. I'm just going to trim it a little bit, as straight as I can. You're going to need a strong adhesive for this, and I'm going to use my Tombow Mono liquid glue. And before that, ideally you should glue this part first. There we go. That is looking good and really cute. So here's your little paper bag for your pen pal and your goodies. Also make a bunch of these for your mini albums, your December dailies. Such a cute idea. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little decorative edge on top. So it kind of mimics like more of a store-bought look, like this right here. And it's cute because like you can still fold it over and wrap your gift and then add a sticker or decorate it, and you still have the decorative edge showing. So that is the first bag. We're going to pretty much do the same thing with the wrapping paper. So I went ahead and cut a strip of this paper, and I'm just going to show you really quickly. I'm just folding it in half, and I'm going to cut along the half line. I'm just making it smaller so that it's easier for me to work with. It's okay if it's not perfect, you'll fix it after. So now I have 2 pieces of paper to work with. It's about 12 by 13 inches. And I'm going to cut this one in half so that I can make smaller goodie bags. So I'm just going to go ahead and trim the end. Perfect. So the edges are a lot more cleaner by using my cutter. So I'm going to go ahead and eyeball it again. Oh, look how cute. They match up. Okay, so I'll do that. See how I'm trying to match up the snowman here? So I'll do it like this. And again, I am just going to eyeball it. It does not have to be perfect. You can measure them out. You can score it, but it's fine this way. Go ahead and cut the sides here. And the cool thing about this paper is that it has the lines already, so I'm just going to use that as a guide. I am just going to now fold it up here like that. I'm just going to adhere everything down. I'm using the Tombow Mono Dots adhesive for this part here. Just have more control with dry adhesive than a liquid adhesive, but you can use whichever adhesive you prefer. Not too concerned about the edges and the lines because this is going to be used for gift wrap. But if you are going to be making some of these for your pen pals to use or for you to use in albums, then I would be a little bit more careful with the ends, just make them look a little bit nicer. But like I said, this is just to wrap gifts in, so I'm not too concerned. So yeah, I like how the snowman kind of lined up, and again, you can go ahead and make a decorative edge on the top, but I think I'm just going to leave it as simple like this. I already made another one off screen so I can show you. So basically what I did here was I glued everything down the same way as I just showed you, but for the top I cut a little lip. So here I'm leaving it, you know, all the same size, but on this one I cut a little lip and I made a little flap. So then I can add some washi tape here and it'll make a cute little goodie bag. And that's another option for you guys on how to decorate it. Like, these both started off as the same size of paper, but I made one bigger and one smaller, so you can really play around and have fun. I do apologize for any change in lighting. The lighting's a little unpredictable here now in winter. Alright, so I'm gonna just eyeball and again fold down. This wrapping paper is so easy to fold. It kind of feels really nice. I'm gonna use my paper trimmer to just trim the edges a little bit. Now I'm going to, again, do the same thing on the bottom. This one does not have the dash line thing as a guide, so I'm going to use my scoreboard again. And this time I'm going to score at 1 inch. Give myself some more paper to work with on the bottom. So again, we remove this side and this side. The crease that you make when you fold it can be your guide also. If you don't have a scoreboard, don't feel like you need one. You just know that you need to cut these rectangle pieces out where it meets the bag fold of the size you want to make, if that makes any sense. Now I'm just going to cut this here again, a little triangle. So this is a perfect idea if you you know, have one of those gifts that are just so hard to wrap and you don't have the perfect size. You can just customize and make your own wrapping. So I think that's pretty fun. So there you have it, another different sized bag. If you are into this idea and you do December daily, you can save the gift wrap of some of your favorite gifts or some of your favorite gift wrap of the year, like this one, and then make a pocket for your December daily. And what you can do is document a picture of the gift that came in the wrapping. So it's a really great way to keep track of your presents, and it adds an extra personalized touch to your album because you are actually incorporating real life ephemera and the wrapping paper of one of your favorite gifts. So that's a really cool idea. A great way to reuse your packaging. It was used for a gift for you and now you can use it to gift something else. I think that's pretty fun. Great way to recycle as well. So that is my tutorial for you today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this video has inspired you to look at wrapping paper a little bit differently. So again, let me just show you the different bags I created. And there are many ways you can use this. You can put them in your December albums. You can wrap gifts with them. You can make the edges as decorative as you'd like. You can cut a little flap like I did here. So just let your creativity go and have fun making a bunch of these bags. I hope you're enjoying my series. If you are new, please check out my playlist. I will link it down below, and make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you're notified when my videos come out for my 12 Days of Christmas series. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!